Welcome. If you want to take care of your battery in Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, at the first you have to move for the settings, and then we have to reach the battery and the device care. Next we have to tap on the battery and move to the more battery settings. As you can see right here, we got fast charging, super fast charging, and fast wireless charging. So when you take care of your battery, you have to turn off a very fast charging feature. The slow charging is very good if you want to take care of your battery, because when we charge our phone slowly, it doesn't reduce the life of our battery. So whenever we have the opportunity to charge our phone slowly, we have to do it. So simply just turn it off, a very fast charging that you are able to use in your Galaxy S21 Plus. And as you can see, it's very simple. So yeah, that's how you can slowly charge your phone and take care of the battery. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!